Let me ask you something. Have you ever come across a really amazing product, something that solves a real problem, feels premium, and is priced reasonably, but no one seems to know about it? You look around and realize it's not trending on social media, not present in stores, and definitely not showing up in any ads. On the other hand, you must have also seen a mediocre or average products go viral, with lakhs of people buying them just because they saw it in a reel, a YouTube ad, or heard about it from celebrity. That's the power of marketing. Marketing is not just about selling, it's not about showing off or hyping something up. It's about visibility, trust, and influence. Marketing is the heart of business growth. It can turn a 10 lakh business into a 10 crore empire. And I say this not from theory but from personal experience. I'm a sales and marketing executive, and what I'm about to share with you is straight from the feet, tried, tested, and trusted methods of how marketing can truly help a business grow. Welcome to Sales by Shashank channel, and I'm Shashank. Let's start with the most fundamental truth. If people don't know you exist, they won't buy from you. Period. You might have the best quality, best pricing, best customer service, but if your target customer doesn't know your name, your brand, or your offer, they will go elsewhere. Visibility is the first step in the business growth, and marketing is what gives you that visibility. Take the example of a small handmade soap brand in Kerala. The owner was making luxurious chemical-free soaps at home and selling them locally. For years, she had limited customers, just neighbors and relatives. Then one day, she started marketing her brand through Instagram. She created short videos and showing the process, the ingredients, the skincare benefits, and the packaging. She even told stories how she learned to make soap after her child had a skin allergy, how she chose ingredients like coconut oil and turmeric, and how every bar is made with love. Within 6 months, she went from 10,000 rupees per month in a sales to 3 lakh a month. Why? Because of consistent marketing. Marketing also builds trust. In today's world, people don't just buy products, they buy trust. Think about the last time you ordered something online. Did you read the reviews? Did you check how many followers the brand had on Instagram? Did you look for videos or testimonials before making a decision? That's all part of brand's marketing. Marketing is not just about shouting, buy now. It's about saying, here's who we are, here's what we stand for, and here's why you can trust us. Let's take a real example. Ma'am Earth. When they entered the Indian market, there were already hundreds of skincare brands, but they focused on building trust. They marketed their products as toxin-free, safe for babies, and made with natural ingredients. They created videos with doctors, influencers, and even new mothers. Within a few years, they become a 1,000 crore brand. It didn't happen overnight, it happened because of marketing done right, with strategy that was focused, emotional, and credible. Now, let's talk about numbers. If you invest 1 lakh in a product development but zero in marketing, your product might never leave your warehouse. But if you spend 60,000 in product and 40,000 in marketing, you might start getting consistent cash flow from day one. Why? Because marketing brings attention and attention brings conversion. One of my clients had a digital product, a course on coding. He had great content but zero sales. After analyzing his funnel, I found he wasn't investing anything in marketing. We created a simple strategy: run Facebook ads worth 20,000 per month, targeting students, create a free demo, webinar, build an email list, and offer discounts to early signups. In the first month, he made 80,000. By the third month, he crossed 2.5 lakhs. That's how marketing accelerates growth. It gives your business a repeatable engine to bring in revenue, not just hope. Another major way marketing helps business growth is through positioning. In simple terms, positioning means how your customer sees you. Are you seen as a premium, affordable, luxury, local, organic, or international? All of that is decided by marketing. Take the example of Tata versus Apple. Both are giants, both sell products, but both are positioned very differently. Tata is seen as dependable, affordable, and Indian. Apple is seen as a premium, innovative, and global. And they both have their own loyal audience. That's the result of consistent marketing communication. When you market your business strategically, you shape your brand's position in the customer's mind. You decide your value, and in turn, You decide your pricing, your customer base, and your profit margin. Let's also talk about storytelling. Storytelling is one of the most underrated superpowers in marketing. A business that tells good stories will always outperform a business that only talks about features. Let's say you sell a tiffin delivery service. If your marketing says we deliver fresh food to offices, that's okay. But if your marketing says we are the tiffin that reminds you of home, made by moms, packed with care and delivered hot every day, it hits the heart. Thus, emotional connection can drive explosive growth. A Bangalore-based tiffin startup used this storytelling strategy in their ads and Instagram posts. Within a year, they grew up from delivering 40 tiffins a day to over 800 per day. Revenue jumped from 75,000 per month to 15 lakh per month. Why? Because their marketing made people feel something. Marketing also helps you enter new markets. Let's say you're doing well in your city. You want to expand to another city or even go national. Without marketing, expansion is impossible. No one in a new market will buy from you just because you are successful elsewhere. You have to introduce yourself again. You need targeted marketing campaigns, regional influencers, local SEOs, city-specific ads. A Jaipur-based ethnic wear brand expanded into Mumbai using influencer collaboration. They partnered with 10 Mumbai fashion bloggers, ran regional ads in Marathi and English, and hosted pop-up stalls at College Fest. Within 2 months, their orders from Mumbai increased by 300%. Marketing opened the door to a whole new market. Let's not forget digital presence. In 2025, if your business isn't online, it doesn't exist. Your website, your social media pages, your Google listings, your YouTube content, it's all part of marketing. I've seen business double their sales just by optimizing their Google business profile and collecting 50 plus positive reviews. I've seen cafes go viral on Instagram for posting behind the scenes kitchen videos. I've seen real estate agents generate 1 crore in bookings using only WhatsApp marketing and YouTube property walkthroughs. That's the kind of growth marketing can bring. And here's the best part, marketing doesn't always have to be expensive. There are so many low cost, high impact strategies that any business can use. Word of mouth marketing, referral programs, free workshops, social media content, email newsletters, affiliate marketing, reels, YouTube shorts, SEOs. These tools can help you grow even if your marketing budget is 5,000 per month. The key is consistency and clarity. Know your message, know your audience, know your goal, and keep showing up. Another powerful growth is remarketing. Acquiring new customer is expensive, but selling again to the same customer is very cheap. Marketing helps you stay in touch through email, SMS, retargeted ads, and social media engagement. You can keep reminding your past customers to come back. That increases your lifetime customer value, which directly boosts your business growth. I helped a home cleaning service implement a remarketing strategy. We built a CRM system, sent monthly reminders, offered loyalty discounts, and sent festive offers. Within 3 months, the repeat bookings increased by 60%. That's pure profit growth without spending an extra on ads. Let's touch on one last but very important aspect, brand equity. When people start recognizing your brand, when they trust your name, and when they are willing to pay a premium just because it's you, that's brand equity. That's long-term growth and it's built purely through marketing. Look at Amul. Decades of consistent, witty and relevant marketing have made it one of India's most trusted brands. That trust brings repeat sales, better margins, and dominance in the market. That's the ultimate growth strategy for any business to become a brand that sells on its own. To sum it all up, marketing helps a business grow by increasing visibility, building trust, creating emotional connection, opening in new markets, increasing repeat sales, and building long-term brand equity. Whether you're a freelancer, a startup, a shop owner, or corporate giant, marketing is your growth partner. Without it, you are invisible. With it, you are unstoppable. So the next time you are thinking about business growth, don't just focus on product development, inventory, or operations. Ask yourself, how can I market better? Because marketing is not an expense, it's an investment, a smart investment that pays you back in visibility, trust, and revenue. As I said earlier, I am a sales and marketing executive And what I've seen time and again is this: business that understand marketing grow, business that ignore it fail. So don't fail, don't be invisible, use the power of marketing to grow your business into everything you dreamed it could be. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you.